So hi, this digitizer was installed by a certified service technician. The problem with the digitizer is that you see this is basically the whole tablet digitizer surface, and this part of the surface, I mean the right hand side of the surface, is not responding to the touch. For example, as you can see, I can type anything here. These parts of the digitizer, as you can see, it's working, but as I'm trying to send, you can see that this part is not responding. Or if I want to delete, for example, or use the delete button, the delete button is not working either. So that's the problem. Basically, this part of the digitizer, the right hand side, when I'm using this horizontal alignment, the right hand side is not, let's say, starting from here up to here, the digitizer is not responding to the touch. Thank you and goodbye.